Salut tout le monde.
Today, we're going to learn how to say simple French sentences in different ways.
Dis-le autrement. Apprends à varier ton français.
Changing your verbs is a great way to improve your speaking, avoid repeating the same verbs, and grow your vocabulary. Let's get started.
Il a parlé.
He spoke. You can also say,
Il a dit quelque chose.
he said something.
Il a expliqué.
He explained. We use these three verbs, to speak, to say, and to explain, to express ourselves in different ways.
Elle est partie.
She left. You can also say,
Elle est sortie.
she went out.
Elle a quitté la maison.
She left the house.
Elle est allée ailleurs.
She went somewhere else. There are other ways to express leaving a place, such as, to go out, to leave, or, to go somewhere else.
Ils ont mangé.
They ate. You can also say,
Ils ont pris le petit déjeuner.
they had breakfast.
Ils ont dîné.
They had dinner. To eat is a common verb, but you can also say, to take, or to have dinner.
Tu as couru.
You ran. You can also say,
Tu es allé vite.
you went fast.
Tu as fait du sport.
You exercised.
Tu es parti en courant.
You left running. To run means to move quickly. Depending on the context, other expressions like to go fast, to exercise, or to leave can also be used.
Il a vu quelque chose.
He saw something. Let's say it differently.
Il a remarqué quelque chose.
He noticed something.
Il a aperçu un détail.
He glimpsed a detail.
Il a observé la scène.
He observed the scene. To notice, to glimpse or to observe, are verbs that add detail and help your language sound more natural. You see, in French, there are always different ways to say things. Try to use a new verb today. And if you'd like a part 2 with more sentences, let me know in the comments.
Merci et à bientôt.
If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.